Yo, this thing is right on my eye, bro.
You know, it's kind of sketchy. Whoa. This is why I need a freaking avalanche, bro. We got a whole bunch of stuff to do to the Volkswagen. We got a spoiler coming, we got a front lip, and we got custom side skirts that we're gonna make. The GTI is getting some love today. All right, what do you want to do first?
Spoiler.
All right, we'll do the spoiler first. We'll test it. So it'll sit like that. Okay, so the double-sided tape is there, in the middle, and on the side. I probably want to put some caulking just so it stays on there. Silicone, this is definitely going to keep it down. That is on there. Okay, we'll keep this on for about an hour. Only takes like 30 minutes, 40 minutes to dry, but we'll just be extra safe. Alright, time for front lip. This one's better, it has the wrap cable going.
Oh, sick.
Got the front lip going. So basically what I'm gonna do is just chuck underneath and throw some self-tappers in.
Oh, that looks hard.
Let's throw it in. Oh, it's on, yo.
Fire.
Damn. We're a little hungry, so we're gonna go for a lunch break. And then later, we're doing the side skirts. Let's go. Pizza! What's going on, guys? Today we are wrapping my Lamborghini Urus. Holy shit, that's fast. Just kidding, it's NA. No turbo yet. Soon time, when I get the shop, turbo is definitely coming. Okay.
2JZ power.
2JZ. And I'll show you guys the custom side skirts that we're gonna do. So this is what we got going. 2-piece. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it right in between here, cut it to size, and then we're gonna use it as a side skirt. Measure it. I mean, it's straight.
Yo, it might work.
It's pretty straight. I think it might work.
This side's fine.
Because this is going to be the outside. Yeah, and it's only going to stick out like an inch. There's your two side skirts.
Here's left of it. Here, put this on your front lip.
No, a little flag, bro. They actually don't look that bad, though. They don't look bad. Custom made side skirts by the Wrap Kit, eh? I'm going to do the middle first then.
Yeah.
How's that?
I am even.
Okay, okay.
Do you need it turned around?
Yeah, we gotta swap it.
Alright.
Is it you doing it?
Yeah.
Alright, buddy, swap it. It looks good, bro. That looks mean.
With the teeth?
With the teeth?
I swear my car has an exhaust.
Maybe an exhaust leak. No, I'm kidding. Alright, next side, and then pretty much done. Good job, guys. They put it on. Thank you. Or Chris, you should say thank you. They did it for you.
Thank you, Daddy. 20 bucks.
Alright, we're pretty much done. Let's drop it, and let's see the final product.